In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a data flow diagram in the visual paradigm. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to diagram up top, and then you want to click on new. And from here, you want to type in data flow, and it's going to find you data flow diagram. Click on it and click on next. From here, you could either create a blank template or of course like a blank canvas, or use a template. So if I click on any of these templates over here, like this one, for example, I can just click on next, give it a name if I want to. I'm just going to skip that. And then from here, you'll get your template, which you can of course customize. You can move it around, you can change things, you can add things, whatever you want. You could also start from scratch. Of course, if you click on over here where it says blank, click on next. Again, you can name it if you want to, press OK, and then this time you can use this generate button to actually help you with AI generate your own data flow diagram, okay? So you could go and basically type in whatever you want here. So you could like type in like a brief description. You could go and put in your context level. There's a bunch of different things you could do. I'm just going to go and put in like a library management system for this example, and then I'm going to press OK. And I'm going to wait for AI to actually do its magic. I actually put it in the context level here. Of course, I could change that as well. And within just a few seconds, there we go, it's going to get generated just like that. And I have my data flow diagram just like this. Of course, I can move it around again, I can customize it, I can add on different things, etc. But if you don't like that, if you want your own unique one, no AI, no templates, you could just go and start from scratch like that. You can drag on the process, the external entity, the data store, the data flow, inflow, outflow. There's a bunch of different things you could go and put on here. And of course, you can then just connect these in between each other just like this, and then that way you can create your own your very own data flow diagram inside here, inside the visual paradigm. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.